Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show in the British Virgin Islands. Looking at a $48 million mansion overlooking the sea. It is beautiful. I bet you believe that. I would too at $48 million. Thanks for joining me. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell as we build this property channel up, looking at properties here and around the world each week. And, of course, British Virgin Islands. You can see the position there. We can see the U.S. Virgin Islands and St. Kitts and Barbuda and all sorts of places here, Antigua, and we've got Dominican Republic, Haiti, Turks and Caicos, Jamaica, and more. Let's take a look at this beauty. So here we are on the $48 million property, and doesn't it look super to start with? Look at this pool. It has so much going on. It is very long and has some garden features throughout it, and then palm trees, coconuts up there, and the views out forever. Love this overhanging porch here, and these blue tiles right up high towards the seated area. There's a view from the corner, and looking spectacular. It just looks so good. You just want to go there and hang out for a long time. And there we have a landscape shot looking out to the distance to the islands. And it just looks like something. Look at these massive stones here. And there's the roof shot. Look at that. Look how many buildings we're talking about here. Just fabulous. In the green tiles. Look at that. Is this Thunderbirds or what? I mean, we're expecting the Thunderbirds rockets to come out of there. If you've ever seen the show The Thunderbirds, this looks just like it. Well, pretty close. Hey. And views out there. Look at that. Fabulous compound. Oh, yeah. Who wouldn't want to stay here for a while? Inside the dining area, very large dining room. Massive indoor-outdoor flow with these bifold windows here, stacking back and giving us a couple of pillars out the front, looking out to the views of the ocean. And then we've got a side door here, lovely open space, beautiful indeed. Timber ceiling here outside in the alfresco, massive dining table. We've got the circular dining table there too. And then, again, lovely front area here before you reach the cliff top. Love the pineapple, love the grapes, and just a stunning view. Look at the garden in the back here, big stones. You could just relax here and unwind. Imagine the parties, relaxation, and more. Local timber table, coffee table, blue sea out there, and the hills in the back on another part of the islands. Big pitched roof here, 4-poster bed. It's like a resort of your own. And the price tag to match. But a lovely isolated position. Loving the bath, the window seat, and more. Double basin. Loving the light fittings too. Just relaxing. Stacking back your doors there. Enjoying the indoor-outdoor flow. Relaxing. Out of the sun if you need to. And enjoying your stay. Look at these beautiful green sort of emerald-type tiles here. A miniature subway tile. And very, very impressive. We're into the games room, the bar area, and the lounge. And we see a massive pool billiard table there with the lights above. Fans everywhere. Nice tiling and more. Look at the timber top on here. It is beautiful indeed. The cabinetry there. Lots to choose from. Lots to drink as we head around. Into the seated area. Lots of books to relax and read. Picture books for sure. And that's what you'd expect in a beautiful place like this. And then look at the movie room. That is one stunning sofa. Look at the depth of that. The fabrics look expensive. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's a daybed inside. And there's the projector up the top. Lots of cabinetry. Lovely elongated room. Quality fixtures and finishings everywhere. Another dining table here. Look at the curves on this. What a beautiful piece of timber. Double doors out, double French doors out there, and double doors into the rest of the house. Out on the beach. Oh, yes. Look at the sand. It's the Caribbean delivering as usual here at the British Virgin Islands. Look at this. So picturesque. It is just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. You're on the beach. You've got your own resort. You're relaxing on your private beach. You can see the stones at each end, making this a private beach here. And oh yeah, this is good. Who wants to go on holiday after watching this? I certainly do. Look at it. It's like a compound. 1, 2, 3, 4 properties. And we had another one, I think, there too. The big stones are impressive. Amazing landscape on this property. and the price tag to match it. So there we have it. What a stunner. $48 million, 14 bedrooms, and it is, of course, the British Virgin Islands, delivering every time. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please like, subscribe, and leave some notes if you'd like. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.